Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito yung natin na energies for you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to. Because this is a timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And of course, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi ako magme-message or magpa-follow sa inyo to offer services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers na magme-message sa inyo. Okay? Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website. Ito yan, mysticqueenph.com. Okay. Scorpio. Let's see what's the energy in the next 7 days for Scorpio. Ooh, protection. Ang Cancerian energy is about taking care of your family's needs or your needs. You are also focused on your home life, family life. Yan, in the next 7 days. You also have Earth sign, which is about growth. So, maaring you're dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is also about your money, your finances, your resources. So maaring ikaw ay nagpapalaki ng iyong income. You're also protecting your resources, your money. Let's see what else. You also have Pisces energy, which is about instinct, your intuition. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong work or career path na gagawin nyo or pwede nyong gawin kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Maaring yun yung way ninyo para maalagaan yung family and at the same time, provide for them. Sa panahon naman ngayon, marami ng options, no? Pagdating sa work from home, yan, mga opportunities para sa inyo. And some of you, this is creative work, so pwedeng meron kayong abilities or talents na i-explore or i-monetize. So, pwede nyo siyang pagkakitaan. Ba, magaling kayong gumawa ng mga furnitures or mag-bake ng cake. So, anything like yung passion mo, yung abilities mo, yung skills mo, you're going to use that para mas ma-improve mo yung living condition mo. Like yung lifestyle mo. Overall energy, the Ace of Wands. This is new beginnings, new inspiration for some of you. So maaring iba sa inyo may excitement dito sa mga bagay na nagsisimula sa inyo. Yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong bagong lugar na titirhan or may travel opportunities for you in the next 7 days. So kayo very excited. Now, your challenge is the Seven of Swords, nako, sneakiness. O mag-ingat sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na yung mga, kumbaga yung intention nila na pag alam mong something is off, so i-distance mo na yung sarili mo. Iiwas mo na yung sarili mo. Kasi maaring meron dyan na nakamasid sa'yo, ano nangyayari sa buhay mo. At somehow, no, meron silang di magandang intentions towards you. Like merong naiinggit, ganyan, or merong someone na akala mo kaibigan mo, yung pala this person is trying to parang trying to bring you down, ganon. And also merong trust issues dito, so maaring yan yung challenge na merong person sa buhay mo na you will realize na mahirap pala na pagkatiwalaan or nasira yung tiwala mo sa kanya. Now your opportunity, the Ten of Pentacles. O, diba? Ang ganda ng opportunity nyo. Focus sa kaperahan, financial stability, diba? There's also prosperity for you. Yung iba, nagpapagawa kayo ng bahay or may mga improvement kayong ginagawa sa bahay ninyo para mas safe ang inyong bahay. O, diba? Nagpapalagay kayo ng bakod, gate, o kaya alarm system, security system, ganyan, CCTV. Now, your blessing is the Knight of Cups, which is about charm. I see this as an opportunity to express yourself. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo kung kayo ay nasa start ng relationship. So, there can be an offer of love or connection, romantic connection. Pwede rin tong sa career path, no, na merong offer sa'yo. Tapos tong offer na to ay gustong-gusto mo talaga, no, yung trabaho na yun. Now, your focus is about learning. Your focus is about improving your communication skills. So, yung iba sa inyo, dine-develop nyo yung inyong abilities, no, through learning or through communication. Kasi, importante rin na maayos tayong makapag-communicate, especially sa mga tao na maka-deal natin, and especially kung ikaw ay ang career mo ay pakikisama sa ibang tao. This can also mean research. So meron ka i-research in the next 7 days that will help you, no, sa iyong mga ventures or mga projects. Gazelle, okay. So ang Gazelle is about change of direction, being flexible and agile. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong tinatahak na landas, tapos alam nyo na ready rin kayo just in case may kailangang baguhin. You also have Scarab energy. This is about second chances. This is rebirth, ability to heal, cleansing. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayong bibigyan ng chance. This can be a person sa buhay mo na nagbabalik at nangangako na ayusin na niya yung relationship ninyo, connection ninyo. This can be romantic connection. Some of you, this is friendship. Or this can be an opportunity na gawin ulit yung isang bagay na ginawa mo before na hindi mo napagtuunan ng pansin. So ngayon may gusto mong subukan ulit. Example, nag-business ka dati. Hindi mo natutukan, nag-fail. Tapos ngayon may opportunity ka na sumubok ulit. Ganon. And then you have energy ng whale. Ayan. So, whale is about communication, harmony, and authenticity. So, there's balance, no, in your life in the next 7 days. Ano man yung needs mo, mapoprovide para sa'yo. And I also see you na mas magkakaroon ng kaayusan sa family. Yung communication ninyo, napaka-importante. Kasi yan yung, kumbaga parang nagbibigay ng stability sa inyong relationship, sa family nyo, connection mo with other people, yung pagiging totoo. Calm. Ang ganda. Kalmado lang. A breakdown is often followed by a breakthrough. Remain calm. So, kung meron mang mga na-experience ka na emotional or challenging situation, it's okay, no? Normal naman yan. Kung kailangan mong umiyak ka. Kasi yan yung way mo para i-release yung emotions na yan. And after naman yan, magiging kalmado na lahat. 'Di ba? Like, for example, kahit nga wala kang mapagsabihan, like, ikaw lang yung umiyak. After nun, ang gaan sa pakiramdam. 'Di ba? O, ayan. Focus. If you focus on what you don't want, there's a good chance you might get it. So, focus on what you do want instead. Yes. Kaya kung ano raw yung focus mo, yun yung mamamanifest mo. So, kung magpo-focus ka sa mga bagay na ayaw mo, edi yun ang darating sa'yo. So, mas maganda na mag-focus ka dun sa gusto mo para yun yung dumating sa'yo. Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.